Hi, I'm Paige from Million Boo Handmade, and today I'm going to show you how to complete increase stitches in your crochet work. So for today's purposes, I'm going to show you how to do a single crochet increase. You can do an increase using any crochet stitch, such as half double crochet or double crochet, but often in crochet plushies, you're going to be doing increases in single crochet, so that's what I'll show you for now. So here we have a partially worked piece using Bernat Blanket yarn and my 6mm crochet hook. So I'm going to work increases into the next couple of stitches to show you what that would look like. Our next stitch here is what we're going to be working into. And now to do an increase stitch, you are just putting 2 stitches into the same base stitch. So typically you would put a stitch into there, say a single crochet stitch, but in this case I'm going to be working 2 single crochets into that one stitch. So how that looks is you are going to take your hook, you're going to insert your hook into that stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, and that is a single crochet completed. But to do an increase, we are going to place a second into that same stitch. So you can kind of feel with your fingers where that same stitch is that you've already worked into. You're going to insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through. And now we have done a single crochet increase into that stitch. I'm going to work a few regular single crochets just to space it out a little bit. So there's 3 single crochets, and now into our next stitch I'm going to do another increase. So you're going to find your next stitch, place your hook inside, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, then into that same stitch we're going to work another single crochet. We're going to insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, and then you have worked another single crochet increase stitch. To do 3 more single crochets. Now let's do one final increase. So we're going to take our hook, insert into that next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through, just like that. Then we're going to do the exact same thing into the same stitch, insert our hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through. So that is how you complete an increase stitch. If you're doing an increase in half double crochet or double crochet, it's going to be exactly the same. You'll do 2 half double crochets into that next stitch, 2 double crochets into that same stitch. The pattern will indicate which stitch you should be using, but that's what it looks like there. You can kind of see how most of our work with the single crochets, you can see 1 stitch, but then when you have an increase there, you can see it's almost like a little V. You can see the 2 stitches are going into that same base stitch there.